Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So I'm very excited for today's video. This is about creating size chart in Horizon theme. Trust me, I have been working for several hours to find the best optimal solution for such requirement, and I have done multiple tests, and this is the final video. I've made multiple approaches and a full-fledged video, but I just discarded it. So this is the final version. This is the easiest method that you can adopt to create a size chart using Popup, because the most important and the most used method is Popup. Size chart as a Popup. You will find several apps on Shopify store and they work well. I haven't tried them, but this approach doesn't require any app. This is completely free. Please make sure to watch every step carefully. And if you haven't watched my meta fields and meta objects video, please go to my channel and search for meta fields and meta objects. There are two separate videos. You have to clarify your concepts, because in this video, I'll be using meta fields and I can't explain the whole concept in detail, because that's a separate topic and I can't allocate 10 minutes for it. This is specifically for size chart, and please just pay attention. So the first step is to go to pages and create a page for size chart men. For example, we are dealing with, like, I have two charts for men and women, and you can create multiple pages, multiple charts, like for children as well, for infants. It's up to you, but I'm covering two charts: size chart men and size chart women. So I will go to pages, I will create a page, and then I will insert an HTML that I've created and I will attach in this video. Okay, so you can just copy paste and edit it yourself. This is one of the most compact and easy table that you can add, and I have also added a dummy image, because some people also prefer to use image as well. So you can also create the table from here, insert table, and then you can manually add the columns and rows. But this approach is not good. It can create responsiveness issues. You can just copy paste my code, or you can create an HTML code. There are several tools on internet. You can create the HTML code for table, and that approach is better. So I will give you the HTML code. You just have to copy the HTML code. I will show you how you can actually do it. So we have already created the size chart men. I have created it before. Now I will create the size chart for women, and I will show you how you can actually insert the code. Size chart. Okay, size chart and women. Okay. Now I will click on show HTML. Okay, and then I will basically copy paste this code, and the whole code will work really fine. So I'm not trying to change the values. The values could be same. That's not a problem. It's just a test video. You can change the values yourself, but please create this kind of responsive table, because it works really fine. No, do not use the Shopify table. It creates some responsiveness issues, and this is based on my experience. It could be wrong, but this code that I have pasted works very well. So you will click on save, and currently this page is hidden. One Shopify hack, that please enable the pages visibility through here, because if you make the page visible from within the page, it will create the problems. It will be again hidden. You will be surprised why this issue is appearing, but this is some kind of Shopify cache issue. So once you create the page, just select it and then set as visible. I know it sounds silly, but actually this thing work. So just make sure that the page is not hidden, please. So this is really important, because without the page is hidden, this tutorial will not work fine. So this is the step number one, which is creating the page. Then you have to go to settings. You have to create the meta fields, and again, if you're not familiar with meta fields, you have to go to my channel and you have to watch the video. Please do some hard work yourself. I will not attach the link in the description. So meta fields and meta objects, you have to click on meta fields and meta objects. Click on products, because we are creating it for the products. Then click on add definition, and you will create this definition as size chart. Okay, and then for the select type, you have to basically select page. So again, just select it and click on save. So this is step number two. Okay, So we have created the size chart meta field. Now the step number 3, you have to assign the meta field to the products. Okay. So I'm choosing two products for now for the testing. For example, this is the product number 1. This is just for testing. It's not the real products. This is just a drop shipping imported products for this tutorial. Obviously, for the other tutorials as well, just select a product. For example, this is the men product. Okay, so you will go down, you will see the meta field option here. Okay, so I've already created a lot of meta fields for my previous tutorial. So for the size chart, you have to select the page size chart men. Okay, then click on save. Now we will select another product and we will add the size chart women within the same meta field. Okay, so you will go to product number. So I will select another product. The product name is I've actually, yeah. So this is, although it's a men product, but I will add the woman size chart in it. It doesn't matter because we are just testing. Okay, so you have just have, please make sure that you have to assign the meta field, otherwise it will not work. And why I'm assigning, you have to watch my tutorial again. So I'm advertising myself within the video. So size chart woman. So now let's go to the final step. So you have to open theme customization and open the product for which we assign the meta field as size chart men. So I am in theme customization right now. I will search for the product in which I have assigned the size chart, and this was the product as you remember. Please watch this step very carefully. This is the last step and you don't want to miss this thing. So you have to go to product information, and just below the variant picker, you will just, if you hover, you will see the plus icon. Click on plus, and then the main thing, you have to basically search for the pop-up link. Okay. So once you click on pop-up link, you will see something like this. You have to change the text. So it will be size chart. Okay. Now please, this is very important thing. You have to remove these things, and just below the pop-up link you have to click on plus, and from there you have to search for the blog which is named as page. Okay, because we are trying to display the page. So now as you can see, size chart, and this is the page. So I have to select this page, and then I have to select the dynamic page. Okay, I will select size chart, and now the size chart for men has been displayed in the horizon theme. That's the whole step, 4 steps. So as you can see, size chart men. Now I will go to product number 2, which in which I have assigned the woman size chart. So this was the product as you remember, and as you can see, size chart, and I will go to this page to verify if the size chart is applied or not. I will click on it, and you will see that the size chart for women is applied on it. So both the products have the different size chart. We created a meta field and it is working really fine. The pop-up is working also fine. Some people were complaining that the in horizon theme, the pop-up is not working fine, but as you can see in this tutorial, there is no issue at all. And if you just go again to the product number 1, you will see the product page, or you will see the size chart for men. So meta field is working really fine. The pop-up is working really fine. If you are still facing issue, please update your horizon theme. This is the latest version of the horizon theme, and it is working really fine. As you can see, this is size chart men. Okay, so different size chart. If you see it on mobile, it works really fine, not an issue. So full responsive, and this code works also fine. I will attach the code. So I hope the things are clear. I am making another video for the dawn theme. The steps would be similar, just the fourth step would be different. So if you just follow this tutorial, the next tutorial will be very easy for you to follow. So thank you very much, and let me know if you feel any issue. We will discuss in comments, and we will find the more optimal approach. Please let me know in case of any issue. Thank you very much.